Okay, today we're going to do a video where we wrap Camus. So, not that you guys will witness this part, but I'm going to wrap Camus and then send a picture of him wrapped to my mom and say, hey, I wrapped my Christmas presents. But really, I got this idea from that video that's been on YouTube for a couple of years where the guy wraps his cat. So, we'll see how willing Camus is. We just got him kind of excited, though, playing and stuff, so I hope he's mellow enough to sit for our wrapping. Okay.
Thank you, Camus. These.
I definitely wouldn't try this on any cat that I didn't know or didn't trust, or a cat that I thought this would really, you know, stress them out, because it's just not worth it. And I know, like, a lot of people like to dress up their cat and that sort of thing, but I'd only do it with a cat that you know isn't going to have a problem with it. Camus? Okay, Camuses.
You stop shaking the camera when I laugh.
Alright, now I don't know how to do the back part, or how I want to do the back part, I should say. Okay, and this, and we're going to be moving the presents. Okay. Right there. I'm pretty sure he could burst out of here pretty easily. Alright. Camus would have been such an ideal cat for me as a child. Oh, man. Okay, baby. Here we go.
He's actually probably enjoying this.
I know. And that, everybody, is my 2014 Christmas gift. Maybe I can make it a little bit better. Oh, Camuses. Good Camuses.
What you got right there, nuisance? What you got right there? Lay you. Go kitty man.
So there's my Camuses! I think he was wanting to hide because he's like, this is so humiliating. I don't know why humans bother me. I just want my treats. Camuses! I'm thinking about other cat bloggers. One in particular who would not be a fan of me wrapping a cat. But this is the kind of stuff that I did with my rags. I took them on jet skis. I took them on my paddle boat. I wrapped them in Christmas paper. Put them in my Cabbage Patch doll kit outfits. So these cats are actually pretty used to it. Just need to make sure you have a cat that will put up with it and still loves you afterwards, and don't torture a cat that couldn't handle it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.